we find our delight, mixing herbs and wonders in the moon's soft light. Candles flicker softly, dancing shadows play, whispered incantations, we let our hearts sway. With ancient Egypt secrets, spices in the air, we weave our magic potions with tender, loving care. Renaissance romance with passion burning bright. In the realms of history, we lose ourselves tonight. With you, my love, in the candles' glow, timeless is the spell we both know. From pharaohs to flappers, our love transcends. Here's to endless nights where the magic never ends.